Testing now. There we go. All right. I am going to spin this wheel and pick a project to work on, and that's going to be what I do today. I'll try to keep it to this one specific topic. That is going to be today's goal. If I land on multiplayer, I'm probably going to respin it because that is more research and development thing that I'm working on. Not exactly something I could stream right now. Ooh, VTubing. Okay. Yeah. Cool. So today I'm going to be working on my VTubing stuff, which if you are new to this, I have been creating a VTuber specifically because I'm pretty interested in the technology. And I have a pretty specific workflow that I've been using for doing that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the VTubing wheel. And also I'm going to need to make sure I set up my headset to be plugged into my PC. I recently got a really nice link cable, so it should actually go pretty well, pretty smoothly, even if I'm streaming during it. And let's see what we're going to add to our VTubing setup today. Add a camera filters. Filter changes. I think that kind of depends on me having cameras first. So I might actually just work on adding a front-facing camera to this project because right now, unfortunately, I can't add filters because I don't have cameras. So that being said, I'm going to open up the movement sample project, which is the project where I have been creating my VTubing stuff. I believe it's this one, although the thing looks a little bit weird. Welcome in, Mini. Yes, it is a little bit of a late night stream. However, Aiden is in Albania and he might be up early enough in his time that he is awake during the stream, which would be kind of fun. And yeah, I just kept putting off streaming for so long and I really wanted to stream, so I finally forced myself to do it today. That being said, I am going to need to put my VR headset on because I am working on a VTuber. Specifically, I am hoping to add a character-facing camera instead of just a first-person camera to the scene. Wow, that's a little bit disorienting right now because it's just in pass-through mode. But again, as soon as I sort of achieve this one singular goal, I might just close out stream, and that's going to be adding a camera to my VTubing system. Enable quest link. Confirm. Alright. Might be a little bit weird doing a stream where people can't really see my face. But we'll see how it goes. Oh, the Oculus store is just opened up. Okay. It's kind of glitching out a little bit, which is not a great sign because there's nothing even going on yet. Oh, that's really bad. Maybe if I open monitor. No, that's really glitchy. Okay. Something with my cable. Gonna have to exit mode. Working normally outside of the link. I'm going to unplug and replug my headset. Try that again. I'm also going to stop my Twitch stream because I don't think I need to be doing that right now. Okay. To my desktop. I'm going to try one more time. Not a great start to the stream. There we go. Looks stable now. Now I can open up my monitor. Now I can work on Unreal inside of my headset. So the first thing I need to do go ahead and open up my character right now. So this VR pawn is the character where everything is happening. And so right now, I had actually created this small system here that does something kind of interesting. We're gonna just name this Baby's First Gesture Control. So right now, if I enter my game and I clap, it creates a little particle system at that location where I clapped, which is kind of cool. That being said, I've added, if I zoom out, a camera that should be facing back at my character. And what we want to do is make it so that instead of doing this particle system now, we are going to check if clap is happening, and if it is happening, we are going to, instead of doing all this, we are going to just connect this guy, set active cine camera. I'm actually going to add this print string in there as well, because I have a feeling that it's not going to work, but I'm going to need to be able to see the print string part so that I can tell if anything happens or not. So this should set the cinematic camera as active and set the other one not active. He says idiot stream, idiot in VR. Not very nice. He says wonton. Okay. New active. State of the active. True. Okay, yes. This is the new active. And this is the not new active. Cool. We're going to compile that and save, and we're going to just see right off the bat if that does anything. I'm actually not sure if I'm in the correct project right now, though. Okay, cool. So you can see my people here. So if I were to clap, we do see the hello on the screen. So it is actively registering that I'm clapping, but the other camera that's somewhere around here is not registering. So I need to figure out how to get the other camera to actually turn on when I clap. I can show you really quick that other things are working. It's just that the camera system is kind of stupid. Like if I plugged this in right now and plug in these guys, I can show you the little tiny particle thing that I made. And this is just a test. There's nothing really visually pleasing about it or anything. But if I do this, whoa, if I clap, it's a little bit off center, but there is a particle effect happening by my hands because I'm clapping. That's kind of cool. So I could like, woo, I don't know. So that is proof that is sort of working. But I need to make it now work with this camera thing instead. Alt, Alt, Alt. Let's try looking through our other options with these cameras. Set active. Does seem like the only really usable thing. If I just type, there you go. Okay, let's try that really quick. Similar node. Boom, boom. And here we go. Clap. And again, my camera is not changing. So there's a couple things that I can imagine are happening here. One, I'll try a different mode for this one. Deactivate. Boom. Let's try that. That's a little bit simpler. Activate and deactivate. It's activating the new camera, deactivating the old camera, and still nothing at all. One thing I'm going to do is check out my settings of this camera in here. Where is my properties window? Whatever. Else? Okay, that's there. Great. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Viewport. Now, let's check this out. Do. Ooh. Lock to HMD. What if I turn that off? I wonder if it's snapping it directly to the exact position of the other one, or if, I mean, that wouldn't make sense. I think it's just, oh. So this is very different. Ow. Oh, my stream isn't loading this. Weird. That's super weird. Okay, what if I do that again, but I don't keep my hands near each other? Will it register? No, it immediately starts me off here now. Really weird. I don't even have. Oh, I do have hands over there. But the camera seems to be automatically activating on clap. Let's see. Let's try that flip-flop mode. So in theory, this should allow me to flip between activating this camera and activating this camera each time that I clap. So maybe this will work. If I clap now, oh, still not changing the camera, which is a little bit bothersome. Still printing hello. Does seem like we need to lock it to the headset. Go to advanced. Oh, that's not there. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of other options here to actually do anything with. A little bit worrying. Camera mesh hidden in game. Let's make sure this one isn't hidden in game. Because it'd be nice if I could find that camera when I run this and actually know where it is in my scene. That's the issue. Okay, perfect. So that camera is locking onto my head. So I need to like, so when I clap, maybe it is actually switching cameras, but they're both in the exact same spot. So what if I take my camera on event begin play, and we're going to custom event. We're going to call this displace camera. We're going to do world transform or relative transform. Cine camera. Perfect. We're going to split this. Okay. So really all I should have to do. Oh, but this is hard because I can't move it to just be a specific, like, anything. We're going to just throw this to 30. So in theory, if that will work, we're going to be able to consistently displace that camera to be at a different location than the other one. And it's not. So it's setting it to be in my head still. Let's go ahead and make the other camera visible too. It's kind of hard to tell which camera is actually being active right now. There's a lot of learning we're doing here today. I don't actually see the other. Oh, the other camera's down there. What does that mean for us? Because it seems like the activating the cameras is not working at all. We're actually gonna go. Okay. Set view target. Okay, let's try that. Awesome. I've done that 20 minutes ago. Try. Hold on. Disconnect this. Grab that. Not that. This. Move it over. Set view target. Ooh. Okay, view target's just not showing up at all. Self. Crap. Get player. Do I need to get player controller? Okay. A little bit of a headache trying to grab this piece. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Moving all of this back. All of this back. Moving this down here. Moving all this excess crap over here. Let's see if... No, we cannot do a new target. God dang it. A new actor to set as the view. Okay, so maybe I just put the camera in a different actor. Maybe that makes way more sense. Let's... Wow, that's a little bit aggressive of a movement there. Let's create... camera... front. Really quick. We're gonna make this cine camera. Done. File save. Drag that out. Rotate and bring it up. Okay, I have a actually pretty good feeling about this. Not typical. Whoa. I wonder if that would work, actually. No, because that's just saying player still. So how do I get a reference to my stupid camera thing? Do I have to make a whole another camera one actor from persistent? Do that? Can I just grab that? Let's try something else. I just use the place actors thing. Place actors. I just grab a cine camera. Will this work? Turns. Okay. There's so many different things that might work. Okay, let's just try that. Oh, see, this is interesting. Now those two are both in the same spot. Okay, that's weird. This is not what I want. I don't know if you guys see this super well, unfortunately, but like the clap is what's updating the camera's position. So we actually have something happening because of our clap finally, but it's not at all what we wanted. That's so cursed. The rat? Or which part is so cursed specifically? Oh god. I'm also, in the meantime, actually going to open Rat Rumble so that I can see how I coded things in it. Blech. I think running 2 instances of Unreal and using a VR headset might start to cause some issues and streaming. So we'll see what happens. Here's what I need to do though. Is I need to. Oh Jesus! Yep. Tries to access object as a. Yeah. Oh, okay. Here's what we should be able to do. Oh yeah, my headset's not. Pretty much any of these I think should actually be useful. Go to the main menu UI though. And okay. So it's really easy to get something from player character. But how do you get something from anywhere else? Game instance. Okay. That's the thing I need to make. Instance? Those are just colors. That feels wrong. Player? Main game instance. Perfect. Okay. I think I can do this. I'm smart enough. So we're going to create a print class. It's going to be a game instance. Boom. Game instance. We're going to open this up. We're going to add a variable. This is going to be called camera front. Now we're going to go to Cinecam actor object reference, and then we compile. Video type actor. Now let's take a look at our Rat Rumble code again. Main instance of get player. Nothing happening here. Hmm. Front. That can't be it, right? I couldn't have just done it. Now if I name this again, I guess that would be a good way. Okay. cam front. Hi, 4 viewers. Feel free to say hi. I think I might have actually started to do something competent finally. So we're going to now get game instance, and then we're going to get cam. Nope, there's something wrong here. Save all. Frig. Okay. We double check with Rat Rumble now. When we use this, get game instance, cast to. Okay. Doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. And we're going to cast to game instance. We're going to plug that in. So I think if I do this at the beginning, actually, okay, hold on. So this displace thing, useless. We're gonna rename this. We're gonna do get game instance reference, and then that's gonna be what this does. And then check this out. We're going to promote this to a variable, which we're going to name let a quest move. You've reached your movement 4 points. Alright, game instance reference. Awesome. So that now is going to be called at event begin play. We're going to get game instance reference. We're going to comment this into a box called get game instance reference. We're going to zoom out. We're going to tackle that. Slap it down here. I think we can kill that for now. Tidy this up just a little bit. We're going to throw this in a thing called particle alignment test. Throw that even farther down because that's kind of irrelevant at this point. Don't like that this is so possible to see that that's a comment box, but we'll change the color later. Now we should be able to get game instance reference. Yes. Okay, beautiful. Cam front. Awesome. Boom. Okay. With a whole lot of luck, or some pixie dust or something, maybe with a little bit of pixie dust and a whole lot of luck, this might just work. So we're gonna try the flip-flop node again because we're bold and brash. We're going to flip-flop between that and that. So now I need to move these down again. Slide that down, that down. Make our code nice and tidy. We can call this that. Then we're going to get self. We're going to throw that into new target here. And I think this might work. I think this actually might work. Wing clap is true. Okay, what if I'm doing this condition wrong though? This and this is true, and this is positive. Isn't, then it should be negative. Yeah, no, that should be right. Okay. Event. So we're gonna read this. When it's true, it says hello. The first time it's true, we're setting target with blend. Now we might actually need to add a delay. Hold on. Because if we don't, it's probably gonna spam between the two of them. You know what I mean? Like if I don't delay it after that, it's gonna just spam flip-flopping. Let's try this though. This might finally work. Oh Jesus. Okay. It's still it's spamming. Oh god, that hurts me. I think it's working something though, but it's not though. Okay, hold on. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, perfect. Game instance reference. Hey, that's not fair. Access to none. Trying to read property game instance reference. Game instance reference is being set right here. Wait, what the? Why is this being plugged in twice? Okay. Where am I setting that? Game instance. Asked to game instance. Game instance reference. Okay. Wait. Something's weird here because did I not name it cam front instead of camera front? But is it still camera front in here? Okay, it is. That's fine. Clearly we didn't put the delay in the right spot though, because it was going way too fast for that to have been half a second happening. Or was it? Maybe there's something else going on here. Let's try this again. Drum roll, please. Womp. Oh. I wonder what. God. Ah. At least let's go to the rat. If we're gonna glitch out, we gotta glitch out and stop. So where is the other camera even hanging out at? I only see this one. There's my little leggers, my leggies, my kicks. Boom, 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 boom. Rat dance, rat dance. Clap, spazzing out, clapping and spazzing out. Access none, trying to get game instance property. Okay, so why is that happening? Huh? Like, oh, here's something. You do not set it over here. Okay, so that felt like a thing that could have been it. Close that. First person character. Well, what? Why are we even doing it? Let's just try it a different way. Oh god, headset. Headset's destabilizing. The rat rumble is too intense for the headset. High five, viewers. Okay, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've been trying to do this whole time. Instead of using this, we're going to just straight up plug this in right here. As game instance, target, camera front, boom, beam, bang. File save. Let's try that. Seems like it wasn't setting itself properly. Maybe this will work though. Hands, clap. Oh. It seems like it immediately defaults, right? Is it? Because I thought the flip-flop node did one, and then the next time you ran it, did the other. Okay, here's something new. Access none trying to read. Cast to the game instance node. So I imagine the cast is failing, but something is happening because it's trying to switch the target, but it's not actually getting our new target. So let's friggin' go back to the King Rat Rumble. This is where it's happening right here. Cast to main settings. As main game instance. I'm gonna move my headset up off my head a little bit because it's hurting my brain. On here. It says that my current streaming bitrate is 0. I don't think that's accurate. Okay, we're chill. Estimating, I'm doing it all the time and it's working great over here, it seems like. Setting variables and getting references to those variables. Get player character. Menu. Wow. I just some people out there, some of the more competent, reasonable people out there would have had this done in like 4 minutes. And I am running out of time to stream actually. Um, um, dang. We need to find another time that we are doing something like this in here. Oh, let's not look at that. Let's not look. Get game variables. Oh, throw up. This is a different thing. This is still being used though. The value of variable. Do I need to do that? Set game instance? Hit it and then set it. Don't know if it makes sense, but we'll try it really quick. So we're going to. We already did that. Wait, something's different. Something had to have been different. Not crazy. Set game. Something different happening. It's not setting it as the right kind of. Why does it look different? I should be bothered by that, right? Okay, let's just double check this. Failed. Okay, we're gonna clap. No, I think actually if we just look around, it should just start saying failed. Failed, failed. Whoa. But it did say failed at the very beginning. God dang it. Why am I so bad at casting things? Get game instance. something wrong. Let me name it something different. Okay, it is being called that though, specifically. But it should be working. Gotten like 20 views, which is kind of cool. But I can't get this stupid crap figured out. It's gonna drive me insane. We're gonna try something. I feel like recently I work way slower because I've stopped trying to go to the internet for solutions. Instead, I just struggle forever. Okay, ChatGPT. In my UE5 project, I am casting to my game instance and it is failing to read it. Could the issue be my current game is just not set? Oh my god, I swear to god if that's it. Because I was just thinking that earlier. Because I tried to go to the game settings or project settings though. No shot. Maps and modes. Make sure your custom game instance class is selected. Good lord. Okay. Wait. Could that have been it? Oh man. I'm so mad. Wait, okay. Hold on. Put my headset in. Oh, it's still doing the same. I'm gonna freak out. Okay, but I didn't get the error, which means that it is actually it is casting correctly. Look for the word failed on the screen really quick. Loading level, hellos. Okay, so there's no fail, so it's actually running correctly. So it is successfully getting my game instance now, but it's when it's getting this stupid front camera front, it is not switching to that camera view properly. That is our new issue. When we are saying VT linear, new view target, set the view target. Flip. Alternates between A and B, starting with A. And then A is this, and then what if I bump this diag like crazy? What I need to do? Okay. And then do self. Set the view target of camera front. God, I'm going to lose my mind. Clap. Oh, jeez. My headset blacked out. Okay, I think I need to hide this camera. I don't know where the other one even is, though. I don't know where the gray camera went, the cine one. Or it should be over there, I guess, but I need to make that one visible, and then I'll hide the one in my head. Hidden. And then that one should also be hidden. Actually, I think we can delete that one. And then this one, we're going to show it because that is what we're actually looking for. Because like maybe it's snapping to locked. Oh god. I just don't think that would make any sense, right? if it was locking it into my headset's location. I don't know why it would start that. Delay isn't doing anything right now since you put it after the camera change. Okay, hold on. First of all, I don't see that camera anywhere. Creepy face head there. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah, after the camera change, but it should be changing the camera, right? So it changes the camera one time to the new thing, then it should delay for 5 seconds before the flip-flop is activated. What I think is more likely is that it's not actually finding this other camera, or also this other camera is stuck inside my head as well as this one. I think this right here might have some interesting consequences. Whoa. That hurts. That hurts everything. Let me try that again. My hands, if you couldn't tell, were not touching. God, it's still the exact same. Camera front is just not doing anything right. That's what it literally is telling me exactly where it is and what it looks like. And that is what I should be seeing. And subsequently, that's where my character is. So that would be makes sense. Do that down here. Okay, I guess here's the other option. What if we just set what if we revert back to our old code instead of this new view target thing? So I'm going to deselect these two. We're going to instead have camera front activate here. And then deactivate camera. And then we're going to activate camera on the flop. Deactivate camera front. And these will also enter a 5-second delay. I think one of the majorly concerning things right now, though, is that camera front is just not showing up, period. Oh god. Nothing is happening. My headset is actually like really glitching out. And so I think I can close out Rat Rumble out. Oh, cool. This just straight up didn't work. Hold on, Rat Rumble's getting closed. Set. Set active is still showing up. Hit camera view? Returns camera's point of view? God. Okay, hold on. Delete. turns camera's point of view. To get usually is just it doesn't stop running. Oh, okay. I get you. And yet the camera, don't think that camera front is working correctly still because it's not where it should be in the world. And that in and of itself is cause for concern. I'm gonna make it way bigger though so that it should be much easier to spot. Are you thinking that the code was actually working though, or do you think that that's just one of my several issues? I'm gonna literally all of this. It's getting too messy. Because if I put the delay anywhere else, I'm going to wait. Like the clap will not be instantaneous anymore. That's my concern. Then I'll clap and then there will be a delay, you know? I'm just weird. It bothers me that I cannot see camera front where it should be inside the level. Like it should be right over here. Wow. Nothing is happening now on this one. Just none. Oh, that's fair. Get game instance. Yeah. Okay. Did what you said. Looks exactly the same. Alright, I'm counting on Alpha over here. Oh crap. The tracking stopped. Oh no. Oh god. Well, it's running hello infinitely, which means it thinks the hands are touching, but nothing's changing, so it's clearly still busted. I think the camera is not like loading in properly though. Camera front isn't showing up in the world at all, I think. Let me just try this. Camera front's variable was null. See, the weird thing of it I'm having an issue with is, like, from the character's point of view, a giant hulking camera right here. Very, very visible in the view, everything. I just don't get why that's not showing up. Maybe I had it actually behind something that whole time. No, it still doesn't show up. Like, I don't know. Yeah, I get that right now. Really, I to defend myself, it's been like 6 months since I've been coding in Unreal and trying to set references and game instances and all this crap. It's been a very long time. This is what my game instance looks like. Ooh. Doesn't actually have the camera front reference set for it. Do I need to do that on the inside of it? Of like, because game instance, I created a variable and I found the camera front whatever. Do I need to like set it somehow? Goofball? I mean, finding it in the world sounds can't you like click on crap from the world like this? And then no. I thought there was a way to grab something from your level and then specifically yeah. So in main game instance you've got event init, so initialized. So when the project is started, which is technically different from event begin play, but it's exactly the same. Oh great. Begin play is what you want. That is something I didn't know actually. I don't think it has a begin play node though. Game instance doesn't, at least. I could just do a delay on that though, I guess. If the issue is that it would be before the camera has spawned in, right? But I don't know how to set this. Variable in the game. Set the variable. Drag and drop the blueprint asset in. Call the VR pawn into this guy, because the front camera is a separate blueprint from the VR pawn. Do you mean you would give the camera actor? Find the first actor in the world of a specified class. Can I? That's what I've been missing. Yeah, I saw the tag thing actually. I was just thinking the same thing. I wonder if okay, the thing that's pissing me off though is this still isn't showing up. It's not hidden in game. It's absolutely ridiculously large. It's I go into the component here. Hidden? No. Visible? Nothing shows up. So it's not hidden. But why is it not showing up? Oh, do that on big. Oh, and then I don't even need the game instance. That is a great idea. Okay. Event. Get cam front ref. Yeah. Okay. That seems sort of promising. We solved why it's not showing up yet, though? No. We could print its location, because there is a chance that the location of camera front is just snapping somewhere else all the time still. Nothing happens on my clap now. Nothing's happening on clap now. I'm gonna freak out my mind now. Oh my god, oh my god, access to none, access to none, access to none. We just said it by clapping everything. Front. Get active clap. Okay, so it must not be spawning into the level or something, right? Like, I can't be. Is it because I named it and then it didn't update in the level? Oh my god. If I renamed it, I think it's because the name changed and then the name didn't update inside the level. If that's it, I'm gonna get mad, and maybe everything we've been doing this whole time has been arbitrary nonsense. It's still. Oh! Well, something happened when I clapped there. Clap? Please? Nothing's happening. Access none. Yo, I've been doing this for way too long. Doesn't say it's hidden. It's just not showing up in this. Oh my god, I've just figured it out and I'm so pissed about it. I've been in the wrong level this entire time. I have two different levels that look really similar if you're not paying attention, but if. Oh my god. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because it's been loading this other level this whole time. Oh god. I'm gonna lose my capture for the mirror rig. Blueprint. Guys, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We've been waiting a long time, too. There's a camera. That's not where I put it, though, at all. It's still not working. Tell me to set the camera view to the front cam. You're only getting it at the moment. Not doing anything. I thought I said it. Right down here. Oh. Set. Only getting it. Well, why am I even getting it in the first place? Set view target. Okay, it is the same thing then. Specifically off of one of these. Or it has to be the stupid one. Save view? Oh, that won't work. I don't think I even need to be using this get camera view thing. How is a cine camera not? Okay, whatever. Camera front. Self. Self. Why is that camera not showing a notification though? Is this the stupid HMD nonsense again? Okay, it's not locked. But I was seeing one around here. Maybe everything's just stupid and dumb and I'm freaking losing my brain a little bit. Oh my god, it's working. But it's not. I have a new camera view, but it's still taking into account the headset moving. It's actually nauseating because it's a different. Oh my god. We've we've almost done it. But it's still taking in the headset's rotation and stuff. Oh god. What the okay. Using a camera in UE5 in VR mode is using the headset's location and rotation and applying it to the camera. How do I stop that? If you want to stop the camera in Unreal, has to be something in here. If this camera component is placed on a pawn, could it use the view / control rotation? Like that? I don't know. Like friggin' as opposed to doing what else? Okay. Well, and the weird thing too is that since the view is inverted from my character, hey, I can actually change it, which is incredible. But the view is like flipped for me. Oh, you guys aren't seeing the headset view though. You guys are seeing what you should see, which is kind of interesting. So if I was just sitting here with the headset on, I could be doing this and I guess it works. Let's move this camera in much closer. Okay, well, congrats, Alps. You've contributed more to this project today than I have. Oh, but it's mirrored, and that's kind of gonna trip me out all day. Can I flip a camera? Oh, that's pretty great, guys. And the lighting is captured in real time too, which is kind of awesome, actually. Um, camera. Horizontal, flip, and invert all do not work. Um, how do I horizontally flip a camera's view in UE5? Create a camera component. Flip cameras for x-axis. Oh, it's literally just inverting the scale. Again, that was the first thing that came to my mind, but I didn't think it would work. But let's try that out. Oh, see, now it's just facing the wrong way. What the? What am I looking at? That is actually giving me the biggest headache. What is that? Is that the camera? That is random. Oh, well, these all locked, so this should. Uh, I guess I could just flip the feed in OBS. I guess it really doesn't matter. The other issue, I need to. Wow, Jesus. I need to get rid of one of these scenes. Lab needs to go away. Hidden in game. Boom, bing, bang. Oh god, I stayed up way too late, guys. Okay. This is the closest we've ever been. We're gonna like tighten in our field of view. Is that not in the depth of view? No. It should be like easily. There we go. Focal length. Oh, my headset finally gave up. It just crapped itself and just left. Oh, that's not right at all. Why is the debug plane like not the right orientation? It's not the right thing for that. Where did the friggin' camera go? Okay, I think Unreal is like crapping itself. Okay, I can't get the. I'd like to be able to use this one time, have it actually like functioning properly before I get off and then that'll be it. I've streamed for like an hour. Alps did all the work for me, which is incredible. Shout out to Alps. I don't know who you are, but I seriously appreciate all the help. I'm going to try to hop into this really quickly because we did actually accomplish this pretty substantial step. It shouldn't have been nearly this hard, but for me, it's been a while since I did anything in here, so I guess that sort of makes sense. This debug plane thing shouldn't be. Oh, there we go. Dang. Shouldn't even be there because it's not checking, but we'll see. We are above our character now? Is that right? Yes. Let's move our camera a little bit lower down. Oh, this is really interesting. All of a sudden, the stream is actually showing my headset. Oh, it's because it's in this view? If I clap, though? Oh, my headset's really taking a beating here. Okay. So we need to get this camera even closer into this character's face. I'm gonna go down quite a few notches here. This character seems to be at a lower level than that thing is. I bet there's a way that I could make it so that the. Well, no, correction. There is a way. Maybe next time I'll set it so that the camera locks into the Y level, or the Z level technically, because it's Unreal, of the character here. Um, that way we sort of have. Just go to. Oh, it won't let me look at it. Yeah, I could just lock it to the character's face's X. Like it could just check it before it switches. And then it's not like moving with me, but it checks it before it comes with me, and then that would be kind of cool. I'm gonna move this camera way closer still. I'm gonna play this. That just didn't run at all. That just crapped itself. You can see that this. Okay, save all. That's not a real file that I want to save right now. Did we break it? Oh, I'm slowly losing it. Slowly losing it a little bit here. Rift, please show me the stuff. Okay, quest link activating. Entered the quest link. We're opening monitor 1. We're gonna play this Unreal VR mode or whatever. Come on. Okay, there's the mirror mode. Please give me my hands. There we go. Awesome. We're gonna pop. Boop. Okay. So if I turn this way, I'm looking away from you guys, but if I turn this way, I'm looking at you, I think. Look at this. Okay. Awesome. App. And there's the rat. Okay. Hi guys. Finally, we have this really voluptuous, attractive, excitable character here in full viewing pleasure for you all. I can do some extra things here actually. I'd like to demo this because it's kind of cool. Um, with the controllers in my hands, I can actually bring my hands behind my head and give you guys a good show here. I can hit my microphone as I get lost in the metaverse, do some cool dance moves. I also, they're not much, but I have some basic hand controls right now. I haven't done most of my hand and face rigging yet. You can tell the face doesn't really move around. Um, but this is what we were working on this whole time. So, thanks for the 4 of you that have been sort of passively watching this stream this whole time. That's awesome. I appreciate you. Saluting you. Let me see how far I can get my arm out. I'm a rat in this little pizza kitchen at the moment. I can look around and it doesn't ruin the camera, and it's kind of amazing. Oh my god. This is such a more interesting thing to look at than what you guys have been looking at this entire time. And yet, nobody's going to click in the stream because it's time to go to bed because I stayed up way too late. Yeah. Woo! I'm excited. This is kind of it. This is peak. Okay, cool. Oh god. I can't. Oh crap. If I put my hands together at all, I start changing my cameras. So I need to be really careful with that. I'll have to change that gesture. Maybe it'll have to be something like both of the hands are like this. Thanks, Mini. Hype is right. I'm hyped up at least. One of the next steps I think should be adding like a green screen and then making me over here the rat, and then I'm working on games as the rat. Do I trust that it'll run though? I don't know. And also, even with this character is just tracking's not working at all. All right, that's all. We did the thing we wanted to this stream. We're happy. We're satisfied. We're going to slowly change back to our camera here. Thanks for watching. It's bedtime. Go get some sleep. Tickle, tickle. Good night, y'all. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? I can't stop. Bye.